It's been one of the top stories on ABC15.com. Linkin Park frontman and Valley native Chester Bennington was found dead.
Yeah, this is a hometown guy who touched so many lives right here in the Valley. And the LA County Coroner's Office does confirm they are investigating this as a suicide.
ABC15's Chris Grow has been digging into his local roots.
Dear friend Chris Cornell passing away, we decided to play our song One More Light.
In another chapter of cruel and tragic irony, we would all learn of Chester Bennington's death on the day his good friend Chris Cornell was born.
Shocked.
Before Chester and his band Linkin Park ever thought of releasing hits like Crawling, In the End, or Numb, he was a skinny and shy teenager navigating his way through high school, where teacher Clark also first noticed him.
I remember him from the stand. He was very much into like artsy things, music, obviously, but also drawings and things like that.
Chester would end up spending time at 3 different schools in the Valley, but he spent the most time here at Greenway High School. Clark also shared some of his favorite memories with us.
And so I've got a video, and I show my students kind of, I guess the idea behind it is that I'm trying to let them know that, you know, even if you aren't academically successful in school, you've got some talent somewhere, you know, express it somewhere, and you can be successful.
After leaving Greenway in 1993, Chester enrolled at Ironwood High School. Classmate Jason Kelly described him also as quiet, unlike his future rock star persona. But there was one shining moment that Kelly still remembers from his English class.
We had this reading part, and he was the only one out of the group that actually played the part. Like, he changed his voice to match what the voice was supposed to be. You could tell it was important to him to be a performer.
Bennington leaves behind a wife and 6 children. He does own a home here in the Valley and also was a heavy supporter of the Cardin Medical Center. Now, we did reach out to them after Bennington's passing, and you're going to hear what they had to say about the impact that he had here in the Valley. We're putting that together. We're working on it right now. We'll have it for you at 6:30. Reporting live in Phoenix, Chris Grow, ABC 15, Arizona.